Hey guys, if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting randomly on Windows 11, don't worry, this is a common problem and can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. First, press Windows I to open Settings, then go to Network and Internet and click Wi-Fi. Click Manage Known Networks, select your Wi-Fi network and click Forget, then reconnect to your network by entering the password again to refresh the connection. Next, press Windows R, type dfmgmt.msc, and press Enter to open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows install any available updates. If updating doesn't help, right-click the Wi-Fi adapter again, select Properties, go to the Power Management tab, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and close Device Manager. Now press Windows R, type ncpa.cpl, and press Enter to open Network Connections. Right-click your Wi-Fi network, select Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected, then restart your PC and router to apply all changes. If the issue still happens, consider resetting network settings by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, and clicking Network Reset. Then reconnect to your Wi-Fi and test for stability. Following these steps usually fixes random Wi-Fi disconnections on Windows 11 completely. If this video helped you solve your Wi-Fi problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.